Hi, this is Stan. Hey, have you ever gotten into a car where there's no driver and the car drives off? Well, that's what we're going to do today. So here in the Phoenix area, we are served by Waymo, and they've got some vehicles that are driverless, and it serves much of the central Phoenix area. And not too many cities have this just yet, so I thought I'd take you along for the ride. So you need the Waymo app on your phone. You know, everything needs an app these days. So I'm just going to request a car. I can see where we've got to go. And there's my request. And it says about 4 minutes. See you soon. And if you want, you can even see where the Waymo car is currently as it's on its way to get you picked up. I have to go get a key for one of our cars. And so thought I'd take you along for the ride. I'll try and show you as much as I can, and I'll even speed it up so you don't have to wade through the whole trip. But if anything interesting happens, then we can show it to you in real time. Here we go. This is my limo. The door should unlock because I got my Bluetooth turned on. There's my initials on top. Let's get in.
Hey Stan. To begin your ride, press the Start Ride button in your app.
Okay, let me hook up the seatbelt here. All right. See, no driver. Start ride.
Heading to Chapman BMW Chandler. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened.
Yeah.
For any questions, press the Call Support button to speak with a rider support agent.
Cool. All right, here we go. How weird is that? So you can see where you're going, and you'll be able to see the traffic on the little monitor. There's also one up front. My wife likes to ride in the front seat when we go together. So let's see which way he's going to go here. He's trying to make up his mind. All right, he's going to go this way.
Proceeding on East South Shore Drive.
We're grooving along here. Sorry about the sun. Got some information going on here, which I've read before. These are very nice Jaguar cars.
Waiting for intersection to clear.
Thank you. We can turn right on red here. So I'm looking over, there's a dude there. All right.
Proceeding on South McClintock Drive.
All right, here we go. I should say that the Waymo cars do not drive like your grandmother. They pretty much get up and go. Let's see if you can see some of the, coming up on a intersection, see if you can see some of the traffic stuff going on. Sorry about the shakes, I don't have my tripod, I just grabbed my handy cam really quick. You can see cars turning off. And there we go. That's what is ahead of us. That's a big intersection there. I really don't notice the pedals moving. It's kind of dark down there. but obviously you can see the steering wheel doing its work and turn signals and stuff like that. So for people my age, when I went to college, I had never seen color TV before. There was no such thing as a handheld calculator. We had slide rules. So you can imagine the mental gyrations it takes for people my age to understand how you could get into a vehicle with no driver and go barreling down the road. It's just mind-blowing. Mind-blowing not only of what it's capable of, but mind-blowing in that I can accept transportation like this. See, it does braking at kind of the last minute. I mean, not a super slow brake. It's just like we're going to move up to the intersection and then we're going to brake. And there's the cars around us. There's some people going through the intersection there. There is a pedestrian, and that's right there. Okay, he's going to turn right here. This is the way I would go if I were driving. So there's our busy intersection. The little dark car is our Waymo. You can see all the traffic zooming through.
Waiting for intersection to clear.
Thank you.
Proceeding on East Warner Road.
Turning on to Warner. We're pulling a couple of G's there on the turn. Like I say, it doesn't drive like your grandmother. It pretty much takes care of business. Thermostat set at 70 Fahrenheit in the car. We're already in triple digits outside, by the way. This is full on July summer here in the desert. And it's not uncommon to look in your dashboard. If your car is parked somewhere and you get in, start it up, and you got a thermometer temperature reading on the dashboard, it is not uncommon to see temperatures 120 or more on your dashboard thermometer. Outside temperatures way up in the upper teens. Okay, yellow light. We're going to brake for yellow lights. There's the intersection. It says we're about 7 minutes away from the destination. So which is scarier? Some creepy guy or gal behind the wheel, or no guy or gal behind the wheel? You decide. Hey, I'm cool with it. I enjoy this. I get a kick out of it. Okay, you can see our Waymo there, the white one, brake lights on. You can see the car in front of us has a left blinker. Even on the screen, it's flashing. And we got a big city truck in front of that car. Somebody just going by us on the left. Put his left turn blinker on. In another mile or so, we're going to have to turn left, so that'll be a good experience. You can see what it's like to pull into a multi-lane intersection with nobody behind the wheel. We're in the turn lane. So we got 12 plus lanes of traffic in our happy little four-way intersections here. So 12 lanes of vehicles plus bicyclists plus pedestrians. All right. Got the green arrow, we're turning left.
Proceeding on South Priest Drive.
Now the Waymo won't wait for me. I'll probably get another car on my way back home.
Don't forget your phone, keys, or wallet. There are more drop-off options in the app.
I don't know if you could hear that, but the computer lady's reminding me to make sure I have my wallet and my phone and materials when I get out of the car.
Finding a spot to pull over.
There we go, look at that, right up by the front door.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
And goodbye, Mr. Waymo. There he goes. Taking off. Well, back home safe, got my business done at the dealership, got me some really expensive BMW coffee while I was there, and headed back home. Well, this is Stan saying thanks so much for watching. See you right here next time.
Thank you. Good night.
Goodbye.